The Loop in Dubai is an astonishing and futuristic mega-project. It is an enclosed transportation structure specially designed for cyclists and pedestrians, aiming to enhance the well-being and connectivity of the population. But it doesn't stop there. The project also includes vertical farming, housing, entertainment, well-being facilities, city-related infrastructure, and clean energy production. Surprisingly, it even incorporates a Hyperloop, spanning 93 kilometers with an estimated cost of $22 billion. The entire structure will be climate-controlled. Dubai is known for its ambitious and visually striking projects that attract tourists and add to its prestige. While some have been successful, others turned out to be colossal failures. The question remains whether the Loop will live up to its hype or become another expensive endeavor with little practical use. Dubai faces a significant issue due to its rapid and massive construction, resulting in the emergence of various design flaws. Like any other metropolitan city, social connectivity plays a vital role in the well-being of its residents. However, in Dubai, the current main modes of transport primarily consist of cars, transit buses, and taxis, making it inconvenient for many people. Unlike other cities, walking, running, or cycling to visit others, run errands, or commute to work are not common options. Moreover, the metro system in Dubai does not extend to the suburbs, and the lack of connected cycling and running paths is notorious. Additionally, during the scorching summer with temperatures reaching up to 50 degrees Celsius, outdoor activities become impractical or even impossible. This place has always lacked a megastructure that seamlessly connects the city for its residents year-round, while also breaking records, which is characteristic of Dubai. Such a structure would also serve as a tourist attraction, drawing people from around the world to visit the city. Since Dubai heavily depends on tourism and wealthy investors, it is essential to construct innovative and eco-friendly structures that entertain. The Loop steps in to fulfill this need. In simple terms, the Loop is a 93-kilometer-long enclosed and climate-controlled cycling and pedestrian superhighway that encircles the entire Dubai metropolis. The structure's width varies, ranging from 25 meters to over 150 meters, especially in areas where vertical farms, entertainment zones, well-being centers, cafes, restaurants, green hotels, and small villa villages will be integrated. The primary features of the Loop include pathways for walkers, runners, and cyclists. Throughout most of its length, there will be separate pathways for pedestrians and cyclists, divided by a green median strip that also facilitates socializing with sea tables, fountains, and kiosks placed along the strip to serve both directions. The actual construction of the structure involves a steel frame and reinforced glass with heat reflection properties. Now, let's delve into the exciting aspects of how they plan to build it and the engineering technologies involved. Considering the vast length of the structure encircling the entire city, it will need to pass over roads, highways, water bodies, railways, and even near beaches. Furthermore, to maintain a flat profile and not be affected by changing terrain, the structure will rest on a reinforced concrete slab with an underground level dedicated to maintenance, water mains, sewage mains, electricity lines, and communication infrastructure. These provisions will serve the current and future areas adjacent to the city. To achieve this, multiple sections of the Loop will be elevated above the ground or designed as bridges over roads, highways, and railways. The main structure will be a combination of steel-supported glazed facades and roofs, forming an arc that extends from one edge of the concrete slab to the other. The varying heights of the arc will correspond to its width. Steel is chosen as the primary material due to its strength and ability to support glazed panels over large distances. Other materials would not suffice and lack the durability needed to withstand the weight of the reinforced glass and exposure to the elements. Additionally, the Loop aims to harness one of the cleanest energy sources on the planet: footsteps. The movement of people walking and cycling within the structure will generate electricity, contributing to its sustainability. Imagine this. Every step taken by a person on the paths inside the Loop will generate electricity that gets transferred to the main power grid. This incredible feat is made possible through an innovative technology known as kinetic paving. The concept is straightforward. Certain materials, in this case recycled car tires, exhibit the piezoelectric effect, generating an electrical current when subjected to mechanical stress, such as being stepped on. This results in kinetic energy, and approximately 5 watts of power can be produced with each step. If, for example, 200,000 people took an average of 1,000 steps each per day in the loop, it would generate 1 gigawatt of power daily. Such an output could power thousands of homes. To address the cooling challenge in the desert climate, the designers have come up with a clever solution. No air conditioners. Instead, the loop will rely on trees and shrubs to create a pleasant climate. The paths are separated by green medians, and certain sections will feature gardens, effectively turning the entire structure into a garden. The carefully selected plants serve as natural air conditioners through transpiration, where they release water vapor, removing heat from the air and providing a cooling effect. Some plants are more effective air coolers than others, and also produce more oxygen. Therefore, the loop will be abundant with plants like sansevieria, rubber plants, Chinese evergreen, and various palms like areca palms, fern palms, fishtail palms, and ladies' palms. These plants will not only enhance the loop's cooling effect, but also create a lush rainforest ambiance. In addition, the structure will have a rainforest-like atmosphere. The irrigation system used to water the plants and gardens within the loop follows a 100% recyclability approach. This means that every drop of water and moisture collected within the structure is carefully gathered, recycled, and reused to nourish the plants. As mentioned earlier, the loop will also incorporate vertical farms, representing the future of sustainable food production for humanity. Vertical farming involves cultivating crops in stacked layers, often using controlled environment agriculture to optimize plant growth. Soil-less farming techniques like hydroponics, aquaponics, and aeroponics are commonly employed in vertical farming. The presence of these vertical farms in the loop is advantageous as it eliminates the need for artificial lighting, as the entire structure serves as a greenhouse with a favorable year-round climate. This setup results in significant cost savings and increased efficiency for these innovative farming practices. Certain sections of the loop will have a considerable width, as they will incorporate small sustainable villa villages, while others will feature green hotels, monuments, restaurants, museums, galleries, cafes, and shops. This integration will transform the structure into a compelling tourist attraction. Additionally, the sub-level of the loop will house concrete tubes designed for a future Hyperloop system, an ultra-high-speed green transportation system for both public and goods transport. However, specific details about this aspect remain undisclosed by the developer, Herb, leaving room for future surprises. As for whether this ambitious project will achieve its goals or end up as a white elephant, the answer is affirmative. It will succeed. Evidence from well-maintained, accessible, and extensive cycling and pedestrian paths in Europe confirms that once the loop is completed, a significant portion of the city's population will embrace it as it substantially improves their quality of life. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay tuned for our next video, and remember to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.